Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video and welcome to Mercedes-Benz World for the Historics auction. So I've had a little wander around, but I've managed to pick out a few of my favourite cars that I've seen from the catalogue and from luckily looking at them. It's a wet and windy day today, so I'm hopefully going to try and get as much of this done before the next rainfall, and hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. If you have, and you do, then please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. It really means a lot. It really helps me boost up to the next level, and I'm really enjoying bringing this sort of content to you. Now, if you spend any time on social media, anytime a rare or slightly unusual supercar comes up, someone comes up with a sarcastic comment of MR2. Well, today, please allow me to give you the permission to class this as an MR2. Absolutely right. This is an MR2, or the Murciélago Evocation. This machine is an MR2 on its core, transformed into the most outrageously heavily engineered supercar, Evocations, if you're ever likely to encounter, and a level of detail genuinely impressive. It's not a Lamborghini, but it's every bit as mad. Evocation is a one-off hand-built example, and I'm just laughing because there's some guys just sat in it and they're struggling to get out a little bit. So it's a one-off example based on an MR2 strengthened chassis, and it's incredible because they've got an awful lot of bodywork trims, mechanical trims, and everything to make it look exactly like the real deal. Wearing the full Murciélago style body and powered something no Lamborghini could ever come close to. Under the engine cover, a 400 horsepower Audi 4.2 S8 V8 engine, paired with an automatic gearbox and electronic selectors. It's definitely a car that turns some heads. Now, whilst you can't legally call it a Lamborghini, it delivers every piece of that theatre that the Lamborghinis offer, and it's an amazing vehicle. And I think, to be honest, if you didn't know, you could quite easily be fooled, but this is the real deal. Finished in deep black coachwork over blood red leather trim. It's an ambitious build, features fully adjustable air ride suspension, original Lamborghini seats, Forgiato alloys with Michelin Pilot Sports, the huge 335 at the rear, genuine Murciélago rear lights, a high performance brake setup, custom audio system, bespoke interior touches throughout. Now, the previous owner for this vehicle has invested over £120,000 into this build, and you can understand why and how. There are still things that need to be done. I think the electronics and some of the braking system still needs to be adjusted, but on the whole, you've got a Lamborghini-esque car. Now, whilst the engine does work in this, it's believed to make a very impressive sound. The interior is quite spectacular. It's full of carbon, loads of blood red, and a custom audio system inside there as well. You've got, I believe, they're from Audi TTs, aren't they? But yeah, they've tried to make it as unique as possible whilst trying to keep that Lamborghini feel about the vehicle. Whilst looking for the vehicle, there is a badge on the steering wheel that says coolant leak, don't run for long. But as kit cars go, and Lamborghinis go, they're supposed to be bonkers. They're supposed to be out there and outlandish and just an impressive piece of kit. It's got genuine parts. It's got the VAG group parts, and it's look at it. It looks amazing. When buying any kit car, you must remember that kit cars are kit cars, and there may be some fettling that's done. When you look at the door lines, the top of the door doesn't really fit very well. Some bits of trim are hanging off, and you know, a bit of fettling here and there. This could be an amazing vehicle, and whether you're using, say, genuine rear lights, they will be a pretty penny to say the least. You've got a Lamborghini Mayfair number plates, and it's really, really quite a spectacular vehicle. I suppose the ending piece for this is, if you finish this car properly and you have it on the road and have it finished exactly as it should, this will dominate any car show, kit car show, exotic things, supercars. It will really tick the boxes and fill the bill. It's an amazing build, and quite a cool thing to say the least. And yes, you can say it. I'm expecting all the comments. This is an MR2. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Just a little sneak peek into some of the cars on auction today. And yeah, an amazing vehicle and something really quite unique, and you don't see every day. You can't call it a Lamborghini, the Murciélago Evocation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If you have enjoyed it, please consider becoming a subscriber. Hit the thumbs up button and comment down below. Until next time, take it easy.